FEMA assistance is now available for individuals affected by the wildfires. Individuals and families in the designated areas may be eligible to receive money for essential items and housing needs, including rental assistance, basic home repairs, personal property losses, and other expenses related to the wildfires. If you have insurance, you should first file a claim with your insurance provider before applying for FEMA assistance. FEMA staff are on the ground providing in-person support, helping Angelenos apply for disaster relief at the Westwood Recreation Center, Pan Pacific Recreation Center, the Pasadena Convention Center, and the Ritchie Valens Recreation Center. To learn more about the types of assistance available and to begin applying for disaster assistance, download the FEMA app, visit disasterassistance.gov, or call the FEMA helpline at 1-800-621-3362. Help is available in multiple languages.